Hey there, it's Yaroslav. I haven't posted in a while. Same reason as always, I've been busy with advice. Just wanted to record a quick update. Since my last video, the product has changed dramatically. Today, it's almost a completely new product. The demo experience has been redesigned, so it feels much more natural and genuine, like you are in a real video call, something like Google Meet or Zoom. The AI is much smarter now, the voice sounds better, and the app itself now has a bunch of new features like integrations, webhooks, team workspaces, advanced analytics with insights. At this point, it's a pretty sophisticated product that helps SaaS companies convert traffic from their websites into demos. As a result, they get a lot more marketing qualified leads because the AI not only showcases the product, but also qualifies users on autopilot. Now we are preparing a huge update. There will be a completely new UI with a much more thoughtful user experience and additional features designed to boost conversion rates. But the most important part is that before, you could use your sales materials like presentations, PDFs, videos, or images. And now you can also include a real-time live demo of your product. You just give the AI a URL and it figures out how to show it. You can also add text with instructions to tailor the demo for your ICPs exactly the way you would brief a real account executive. That means that when you release new features, you don't need to rebuild demo content from scratch. You just update the instructions and the AI adapts. Now let me show you a quick demo of how it works. So here I configured a short demo with two content items, just a one-page PDF slide as an intro page and a real-time demo. So I put our production URL and I just gave a short text with instructions about basic flows and how to log in. So login username and password for the demo. Now let's see it in action. Let's start this demo.
Hi there. Welcome to our product demo. I'm Mark and I'm here to guide you through our AI-powered sales demos. How can I assist you today?
Yeah, can you show me your real-time live demo?
Let's dive into our real-time live demo. We'll start by signing in at the app's website. You should see a sign-in form, and I'll guide you through the process. Let me enter the demo email address. Now I'll click Continue. Let me enter the password next. Clicking Continue to sign in. We're signed in now. You can click on the real-time live demo to explore further. Do you have any specific questions about the features you'd like to see?
Yeah, for example, here is a product tour, and I can actually click Skip Tour to actually skip it. Now let's ask the AI something.
Hey, just making sure you're still with me. Shall we continue?
Can you show me integrations?
We're now on the integrations page. Here you can configure webhooks and see the new integrations we've added. Is there a specific integration you're interested in exploring?
Yeah, let's just add a new webhook. Let's call it test, and the webhook URL is going to be https://google.com.
Entering the webhook name as test now. Now I'll enter the webhook URL. Let's add the webhook by clicking the submit button. The webhook has been added successfully. Would you like to explore anything else?
And if I want to delete it, I can ask the AI to do that, or I can just click it myself.
Hey, just checking in.
And it will be
Is there anything
deleted.
else you'd like to see or do?
So while this was a very simple demo, I put together in maybe 5-10 minutes just by giving a URL and a short text, you can actually create pretty complex workflows. That way, your demo always highlights the features most relevant to your users. This will be an enterprise level feature and we're planning to release it in the last quarter of 2025. If you're interested, I will leave a link to our website so you can learn more. Have a good one.